Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. So first of all, you will need two things. You need to have a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB and a Windows 11 ISO file or installer tool already downloaded on your PC. Now you just have to plug your USB drive into your computer. Make sure that there is nothing important on it because this process will erase everything. Now you need to open Windows installation tool or ISO creator on your PC. Choose the option that says create installation media. Afterwards, you need to select Windows 11, choose the language and press next. Now you will be asked where to put the files. So you can choose USB flash drive and select your plugged in USB from the list. Be careful to choose the right one so that you don't erase the wrong drive. You can start the process. The tool will format the USB, copy the Windows 11 files and make it bootable automatically. Now this can take several minutes depending on your internet and USB speed. Don't unplug the USB until it finishes and says it is ready. When it is done, you now have a bootable Windows 11 USB. You can use it to install the Windows by plugging it into the computer, restarting the PC and choosing boot from USB in the boot menu or BIOS. Now, if your USB doesn't show up while booting, you can change the boot order in BIOS or you can use the boot menu key on startup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.